long vowels A and I. So let's get started. So here we had to write the words which match the sentence and make sense. But I didn't write because I could save some time, right? So let's read and let's read. We can bake. Don't read it as back. This is our back. Bake, okay? It takes time. It's not Tim, a person's name, Tim. It is time, okay? Next. Look at our cake. Ooh, it's delicious. Cake. Don't read it as cack. What is cack? It reads as cake. Here is a slice. Well, do you know what slice it? Do you know what it means? Like, for example, here's a whole pizza, and then if you take one piece of the pizza, it means a slice of the pizza. Look. Like this is one cake. For example, it's a cake which is cutted, and we take one slice and it becomes this slice. This is a slice of cake. Okay? Slice of cake. Get it? Oh, next. Do you like it? Don't read it as lick or lake. Okay? It is like. Okay? It is very nice. It's not nis, not nis. So read it as nice. Okay? Let's go to the next page. Okay. Sorry. So here we have some words. Now, so we're gonna write some words which start with A, and some words, long vowel A and long vowel I. Okay, so the long vowel A is on the left side and the long vowel I is on the right side. Okay, so let's see. One A as in game, gaze, same, grade, crate, blame, made, grape. Now one vowel I, okay? Pride, price, time, mile, slice, slide, wide, spice, mice, rice. I think there are two words that you don't understand, which are gaze and crate, maybe. So, do you know what gaze means? It means like surprise as well as staring the same time. Surprise and stare and a little bit of staring the same time, okay? And crate. There are two meanings of crate. The first meaning is a wooden box which we can put anything inside. And the second meaning is, the moon, right? There's so many, it's a little bumpy because of the holes, right? Holes. So, for example, this is the moon. So many crates. Okay, so many crates. So, one of this hole is called a crate. Okay? One of this hole is called a crate. Okay? Good. So, if you understand, let's go to the next page, which is the last. Okay. Again, we had to write, but I wrote because how we can save time. So what? So we had to label the picture. So we write the picture in the blank, the line. So a trophy. When you get a prize, you get a trophy or a medal, right? And a pile. Well, do you know what pile means? It means like wait a second. See, can you see this? Like, can you see this? It's a pile. These two. So a pile means like a bunch of something, like a pile of pages in a book. Okay, like that. And you know what grape means? I like grape. Cake, yummy cake. I just ate cake. Plate and bike. Bike. I like riding on my bicycle. And now, so we have to write the spelling words that matches the sentence. This sentence, okay? Okay. Jet won first place in the race, right? Race. Here, race. So let's write. Race. The next one is the mail is in a on the table. A rake on the table. Well, guys, do you know what even a rake means? Like, you have, for example, your study table. You have something under which you can put things, right? You can open, close it, close, and use it. Okay. Next, number 9. Is that your coat or mine? I think it's yours. Is it? No, it's mine. So let's write mine. Here. Mine. Okay. I think I ate too much pasta. You'll get so fat. 8. So friends, if you liked my video, then please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you soon.